Hello everyone, my name is Omkareshwari Khupse. I am basically from Amravati, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in electrical engineering in 2020. After that, I searched for a job, but every time I get unsuccess. One day while scrolling the YouTube, I come across one video related to Evision Technosource, and just I went to Evision website and search and see all the reviews related to that, and I find all that good. So I decided to join Evision Technoso. Evision Technoso it provides 45 days of classes related to networking, in which they teach us about the networking, basic networking, Windows administration, ITIL, cybersecurity, CCNA, etc. thing. From the date of joining till the placement, every mentors in the Evision they are highly supportive, very helpful. I got placed at HCL Technology with a package of 3 LPA and I'm really very happy. I am thankful of I'm especially thankful of Priya ma'am, Payal ma'am and Amit sir. And also thank you Evision. Thank you.